Now, hello beautiful people, you are welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today's video is just some easy breakfast ideas, just like a sandwich, but a sandwich with a twist. Like, it's very easy. What I'm going to be using for this recipe, I have some chicken viennas. Some people use pork, but I don't like pork, so I already have the one I'm using here. I'm going to be using just one piece. I already microwaved it, and one boiled egg. I have some carrots. This I'm not using, but I'm just putting it up for display. This is the amount I'm going to be using for the carrot. Some cucumber. See, this cucumber is very important for this recipe because you want that crunchy taste. Tomatoes, some hard tomatoes, you know, just some juicy stuff inside. Then my sweet lovely avocado here is ripe inside, and lettuce. Then I have my bread here. I'm using 2 slices, you know, I'm trying to, you know, get fit. And I add one more later. Then this ultra creamy mayonnaise is just going to make everything easy. So first thing first, I already boiled my egg and cooked my chicken viennas, grated my carrots, and I always like to peel my cucumber skin. Yeah, then washed my lettuce. So let's get started. But please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please just subscribe. If you just come across this video by any chance, please, my dear, my darling, just subscribe to this channel. All right, I'm gonna grate my carrots. Cucumber. Tomatoes. This is like burger, but it's not burger. So this amount of tomatoes is enough. Then my avocado. I'll scoop it. Slice my egg. Yes. Then I'll add the egg. I'll mix everything together. So now I've mixed everything together. It's time to toast our bread. Put lettuce, tomatoes, some cucumber, I'll do same thing for the other slice of bread. Put lettuce first. Add cucumber for that crunchiness. And I'll add the filling. If you want to be extra, you can butter your bread before toasting it, but I think that would be a lot of fat because there is already mayonnaise inside. So let's stick to mayonnaise only for this recipe. It's better you just use more avocado than using too many stuff. So I'm just going to toast another bread now to cover it up, so 2 people can be able to have this for breakfast. Just look at some healthy meals here. Okay, we'll just add it up. Just take a look. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to slice it now into half. I'm going to slice it into half so it will be easy to hold. Take a look. Pairing this thing up now. So I'm pairing it up with this 20 tea, lemon and ginger. It's very nice. So please do subscribe to my channel. Here is the breakfast inspo, very healthy. You can use wheat bread, any bread you want. You can make a twist, use shredded chicken, but please don't just forget to subscribe. Please, this is the feeling. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. I love food, right? Is this tea? It's not an advert, but this tea is nice. It is. Bye. Subscribe, please.